Almost all of the trips you see on my site are mistake fares that don't pay a commission, and most travel agents would charge you a fee to even look into them, if they call you back at all. Since there are only a few seats available with most mistake fares, they usually sell out within days, if not hours. So to make sure you don't miss out, here is a quick video showing you how to book any trip on my site before it sells out. Anytime you see a trip you like, the first step is to verify it's still available. And it's a good idea to see how easy it will be to find alternate dates when the dates I find sell out. So before you click these links to check on the price, read this commentary so you have an idea of how easy it will be to find alternate dates at this price. Once you're on Kayak, wait for the page to fully load and verify that the airfare is still available. In this case, there are plenty of alternate dates too, so you can adjust however you like. Now you have two choices. Your first option is to book the flight by itself. If you just want to make minor adjustments to the dates I suggested, Kayak will probably be easiest. If you're looking for drastically different dates than what I found, or if the Kayak dates sold out, Google Flights will probably be easier to work with. Plus, as in this case, it never hurts to check with Google Flights anyway. Your second choice is to look up package prices using any of the lodging options in your trip updates. By the way, booking your hotel at the same time as your flight will almost always get a better deal than booking them separately, so be sure to take advantage of that. You have dozens, if not hundreds of ways to customize your lodging choices, and I've sorted them in order of price, and I cover more of that in a different video. Just remember, the key to finding the best deal on any Flight Plus hotel package is to start with the dates that have the lowest flight prices. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit jgoot.com/FAQ.